Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the name on your American Airlines ticket. Whether you've noticed a typo or need to update your name to match your ID, this process will help you make the necessary corrections quickly and easily. First, open your browser and head over to aa.com. Once you're on the American Airlines homepage, look for the travel information section in the main menu and click on it. From the drop-down options that appear, select your trips. This will take you to the page where you can manage your existing bookings. Now you'll need to input some key details to locate your reservation. Enter your last name exactly as it appears on the booking, followed by your date of birth. You'll also need to provide either your confirmation code or ticket number. These details ensure that the system pulls up the correct reservation associated with your account. Once you've entered all the required information, click Find Your Trip. The system will now display your upcoming flights and reservations. Carefully review the list and click on the itinerary that has the name issue you want to fix. This opens up the full details of that specific booking, allowing you to see passenger information and available actions. Within the trip details, look for an option like Manage Passenger Details or Edit Passenger Name. This is typically found in the Trip Actions section or under Passenger Information. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your booking type, so keep an eye out for any menu related to passenger details. If the option is available, select Edit Name, Name Correction for minor fixes, or Legal Name Change, if you've had an official name change such as through marriage or legal proceedings. The system will guide you through the appropriate process based on what you select. Now comes the important part: type the passenger's full name exactly as it appears on your government-issued ID. This means checking every detail, including spelling, spaces, and middle name or initials. Even a small discrepancy can cause issues at the airport, so take your time with this step. In some cases, you may be prompted to upload supporting documents to verify the name change. This could include a government ID, marriage certificate, or other legal documentation. If this screen appears, click on the Upload button and select the appropriate files from your device. Once you've uploaded the necessary documents, click Submit or continue to move forward. At this stage, the system will review any applicable fees for the name change and whether your ticket will need to be reissued. American Airlines charges different fees depending on the type of change and your ticket's fare rules, so review this information carefully. If the total looks correct and you're ready to proceed, move to the next step. Click Confirm or Submit Change to finalize the name correction. The system will process your request, which may take a moment, so be patient while it updates your booking details. You should receive a confirmation screen or email with the updated ticket details shortly after. Check your inbox for a revised e-ticket showing the corrected name. This new ticket is what you'll use for check-in and boarding, so make sure to save it or print it if needed. Keep in mind that name change policies vary by ticket type and fare rules. Some changes may only allow for minor corrections rather than a full legal name change, and fees will likely apply. If online options aren't available or the change is not permitted through the website, you'll need to contact American Airlines customer service directly or visit the airport ticket counter for assistance. And there you have it. You've successfully updated the name on your American Airlines ticket to match your ID. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.